how to recover Yahoo password. So let's get started. First thing first, go to any web browser and type down the yahoo.com. Once you are inside the yahoo.com, you can see sign in option available there in the top right corner. Tap on it. Now enter your email address or username. Then simply continue with the next option available there. After that, you will be prompted to enter your Yahoo Mail password. Now make sure that if you have already forgotten the password, all you have to do is tap on the forget password option available there. After you tap on the forget password, a verification code will be sent to your email or phone number you have associated your Yahoo Mail with. After you do so, then enter your verification code in your Yahoo, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.